for the green light?
Yeah, he wants in red. So the guy just come and hit.
You're okay? Really? We're at a gas station. We're at a gas station. Turn it off, dude. We're not in Armenia. What are you doing? You think it's total? Think so? Yeah, I think so. The damage is worth more than the vehicle.
No, the damage is like
75%. 75.
No, this is more. The damage is like 6,000. This car is not worth 6,000.
As long as our employee's okay, that's all that matters. He's fine. He's exchanging insurance. Are you gonna fix it? Should we fix it? Hey, can you do a wide body on this? Can you do a wide? You want a wide body, Chiquito? Like a nice wide, like a Urus?
Yeah.
You should fix it for free.
Yeah, we can fix it for free. What we have to do is just put a new trunk, new tail light.
No, don't do it.
No, don't hit the car.
New.
Respect other people's belongings.
Yeah, right. Absolutely.
Oh yeah, the rear body's gone. Pushed in there. Enforcement bar is gone too. As long as he's okay, let's get back on track. Lulu, I'll see you at 8 o'clock tomorrow.
You gonna bring coffee like the every day?
I got you, bro.
See, that's Mano.
Alright guys, we're standing in front of this Mclaren 765LT. You guys have seen this car on our channel before because we wrapped it in this gloss army green color. Looks incredible. 1016 carbon fiber hood. We seem to be buying a lot of those hoods. McLaren's really, that's the first thing you need to put on your McLaren is that hood. Really excited because we got a really badass set of wheels on this thing right now. Wolf Design Works wheels with a super crazy deep dish step lip in the back, concave wheels, and we got Novatec 765LT springs. I haven't really seen many people lower the 765 yet. The 720 springs don't fit on this, so we got the Novatec springs. It is slammed now on these really beautiful wheels with the green carbon fiber 765LT. Really beautiful, gorgeous car. Behind that is actually Gigi's Mclaren 720. She's just dropping it off right now. We have a few little things to do that thing. Enjoy getting it back. It looks incredible. So really cool to see this badass 765 and 720. We also have that wide body 720. We have a lot of McLarens right now at the shop, so it's one of our busiest times and we have big stuff coming up, so we're working very hard. I'm here late hours. As you can see, Sarkis still leaves, doesn't care. That's how you're not going to get anywhere in life. You got to work very hard. He doesn't do that, so he's not going to get anywhere. And now he got rid of his BMW, so I don't know what he's going to get. But yeah, July 28th is Moses' birthday. He's turning the big 4-0. I could definitely feel that he's 40 now. He's not the young Moses that he used to be. He's getting meaner, more destructive, forgetful, forgetting a lot of stuff. He used to be on top of everything. Yeah, customers are fighting with him lately. You know, all that kind of stuff. So to celebrate that, we and him are thinking about shaving his head. In the last video, we talked about getting 50,000 likes and he's gonna get a raise to shave his head. We didn't hit the 50,000 likes, so this is what we're gonna do. By July 28th, which is his birthday, if any of the videos get 50,000 likes, the bet is still on, and we're still gonna shave Moses' head. So I think that'll be cool. I think you should also do your facial hair. So 0 hair.
Oh no, you gotta keep the...
No, it's gonna look weird if it's like, you know?
Good.
Maybe, we'll see first, and then that, because then he might look 30 instead of 40. So that's what I'm planning on doing, by the way.
Maybe.
I'm gonna keep my beard until like 50, and then I'll shave it off and I'll look 25 again.
Yeah,
so
makes sense.
So yeah, July 28th is his birthday. You guys have until then to like one of these videos 50,000 times. It's not that far off, honestly. And we finally get to get rid of his hair that you guys have been talking about for many years. So like our videos.
We'll see. All right, you guys. So yellow Lamborghini Aventador. You guys know that's a huge project. Body kit, sound system, lighting everywhere on the car, wheels, of course, wheels and tires on the car. So now we're ready to test the audio of the vehicle. We can only use CDs and stuff like that. So we are gonna fix that, by the way. We ordered something. We're just waiting for it, but we need to test it today. We knew we had CDs under the seat of the van, of the RDB van. What is that?
Okay, that's Greek and Armenian. Which one do you want?
It says now dance Arabia. It's in. We cannot test the sound system because the CD, the song, the music has no bass. We need something with bass. So yeah, it didn't get the job done.
Your Camry have a better sound than this one. I love your Camry.
So do I. That's why I don't want to sell it. Never.
How long you have?
Camry? For like, it's been a while, like 5-6 years already. It doesn't overheat. It doesn't get me stuck on the road. I get home, back and safe. That's it.
But at least you have a Camry, bro.
Exactly.
All right, we are sitting in the beautiful Ferrari GTC4Lusso, and this car is really extraordinary. It's abnormal. It's not like Ferrari, obviously. You guys already know the FF. I was actually a big fan of the FF. I drove one around for a few months, to be honest, and I really enjoyed the car, honestly. It looks a little funky, but you get used to it and you learn to love it, especially because they do have the V12 motors, just like the F12 and the A12 now. So this is the GTC4Lusso, which is modeled after really the A12. You have 2 seats in the back. Very, very comfortable scenario inside too. Really decked out as well. The screen is touchscreen, big screen, obviously now from Ferrari. It has my favorite steering wheel ever from any car maker, which is this crazy contraption which has everything on the steering wheel. Actually, the SF90 is my favorite steering wheel. However, this is a close second. Has all the gadgets on there, you know, engine starts on the steering wheel, turn signals, high beam, windshield wiper, modes, telephone, paddle shifters, volume, and seeking is on the back side. It's hidden. Really, really sick. Reverse, automatic, power start, emergency is right here, air condition over there. So everything is like right in place where you want it to be, of course. It also has this big ass glass roof. So again, really sick that this is a Ferrari. You have a full glass ceiling, 4 seats, V12. It's a monster. It's a real monster. This car also has a full Novitec kit on it. It has HREs, Novitec springs, slammed, even a Novitec straight pipe exhaust system. So it screams, it's low to the ground, has carbon fiber everywhere. You guys already could tell I really like this car. If I didn't have the Urus, this would be pretty much a close second to what I would daily drive, honestly. Really easy to drive this car daily if you want. I can't find his little bypass for the exhaust, so it's pretty loud all the time. And it's very, very loud because it's a V12, so you definitely want to have the bypass valves to turn it on and off. It's black on black. This car, I don't think you would want it in other different colors. Maybe white. GT4Lusso would be sick. So comment below, let us know what you think about this car. We're gonna get a lot of people that don't like this hatchback looking Ferrari, but I think it's really unique. We see a lot more F8s, 488s, all those cars. You don't see much of this, so really, really cool.
So we have Chris Brown's Rolls-Royce Dawn here. We just had it towed from his house to RDB. Vic got a call stating that one of his tires is flat, so we have the car here. We're gonna try to get this thing fixed really quick and towed right back to his house. Okay, you guys, so we brought this car to the back. This one was an easy fix, not too bad. Valve stem broke, so Santos we have all the kits for these valve stems. So he's putting in a new one right now, making sure the wheel has no other damage or leaks. We're gonna put it back on the car, and we're gonna tow it right back to Chris Brown's house.
What's up, lazy guys?
What were you doing on the phone?
No, I'm just waiting for the text message because of the part with the McLaren parts. They were gonna deliver.
Who orders parts for text messages?
Me, because I have connection everywhere.
Thank you for letting us use your connection.
Thank you. Let's ask what he's doing. He's just going to the shop around, just complaining on every co-worker.
No, I'm not complaining. I'm double checking if everything is good. Trying to make sure that no one is killing anybody or throwing pens or doing anything that's gonna poke your eye
So
out.
how come you're not checking Moses? He's walking around with the phone.
Because Moses knows what he's doing. After my calculations, you've been working here for about 2 years, correct? So I've spent $11,520 for your lunch.
Look at my calculation. So when I got hired, my hours was 8 to 5:20, and then
Hours
it becomes
of what?
Hours to work. 5 to 20.
Work.
Yeah, I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down,